मेरे को देखो यार, मैं तुम्हें देख रहा हूँ, तुम मुझे देखो। 1 to 1 चल रहा है, दूसरे को क्यों, तीसरे को क्यों देख रहे हो? How many tabs are there? 6. This is good. Value addition, but 6 thing is 7. The visible tabs. And then what you are doing is you are doing value addition. This is all good. It shows that you are doing it. So try to remember at least 7. ये तुम मुझे क्यों नहीं देख रहे यार, सब ऊपर देख रहे हैं। ओके ओके ओके, अच्छा ये दोनों तो एक ही सेक्शन के, लेट देम डू इट इन अ ग्रुप। आप तीन से बात करते हैं। वेयर डू यू गेट दिस ऑप्शन कॉल्ड एज फ्रीज पे? फ्रीज पे, हाउ डू यू फिक्स द सेल? Dollar sign, very good. How can I get dollar sign in Excel without typing dollar? Function F4, window F4. मेरे में function F4 तो it is Excel, no problem. What is the shortcut key to undo? Zigzag. Control plus Z is that. What is the shortcut key for cut paste? Hey, one more thing which you need to understand. Teacher evaluating you will be bit specific. If I am looking at you, now answer should come only from this direction. By any chance, if you give me your answer, rejected, not counted for. Answer only when it is asked for. Second thing. Do not express your emotions. Yes, I know. Yes, I know. Come to me. Come to me. You need, question will change. Stay neutral. When it is asked for, answer. If you don't know, say sorry. So that we can have more questions in that same limited period of time. Where do you get scenario summary? You know that? There is a concept called as sum total. Sum total. You know it? Sum total. There is a function called as sum total or subtotal. Is there anything called as sum total? No, sir. Function is subtotal. Hey, subtotal clear है? नहीं? Boss, you are the leader of your group. तुम ऐसे करोगे तो तुम्हारे वाले क्या करेंगे? हाँ, 4 दिन है, आज ही यही 4 दिन में करेंगे। You see, questions will change. ChatGPT gives wonderful set of questions. उस पे एक query run करना है while evaluation is on. You'll get 10 questions in ready. तो हाँ, ये है कि don't sleep for next 4 days. Don't bring in a reappear or a backlog. Because these things will take you for very long. Now it is a big group, you'll get it very easy. But when you are only the only one who is attempting it, it is a bit tough. Reappear papers are always tougher than normal exam. So don't bring in reappear. उल्टा होता है। यार वो reappear वाला 7th year में आ रहा है। Excel reappear is there. I have his number. If my system might have been connected, I can show you the chat history. This fellow is in 7th year. He is not able to clear this course.